Alrighty. Let's see some of our DataSelf Analytics online resources. So if you go to dataself.com, my first recommendation is to click the Try It Now or our Try It Now button right here. This will give you access to a trial version that will allow you to pretty much do the things that I showed you today. It does not connect to Acumatica. It has its own sample database, but it has most of the reports and dashboards you have available out of the box. It's part of that framework. You'll be able to slice and dice them. You'll be able to drill down and see how they work. They also have videos in the feature dashboard. So if you want to take a quick look and see how they work, follow the videos, and that will help you more quickly understand the options and how empowering they are. The next thing I recommend as resource is scroll down in our website and click the Acumatica button. This page will give you some more insights about our solution for Acumatica. So feel free to explore this page. Another page is go to Solutions and click 5,000 KPIs. This page provides an overview of the out-of-the-box solution. So for CRM, for core financials, for distribution, and there's this sample buttons that if you click, you go to other pages that give you some screenshots of the out-of-the-box reports and dashboards. If you click the download full list, you'll get to this Excel file that will list all the reports and dashboard names. So if you click, let's say, as a sales analysis, we have almost 1,400 reports and dashboards available out of the box. If you expand the reports, you can see, let's say, by customer, you can see the report name, and you can see how they're sliced. And if you go to the dashboards area, you expand a dashboard name, you see how they're sliced. So this is a very good material for you to take a look and see what's available out of the box with our over 5,000 reports and dashboards. Finally, I highly encourage you to go to Solutions and click on the Architecture. So let's go there. So this is our architecture page. Let me just make it a little bigger. Let me just get my face out of the way. So what we have here is, this would be your data sources, Acumatica, maybe an external CRM system, POS and whatnot. We bring your data to a enterprise level data warehouse. Out of the box, we already have a lot of things done, a lot of tables, a lot of denormalization, optimization, additional KPIs, more indexes. It's really solid and mature and again, top-notch data warehouse framework. Then we connect Tableau and also Power BI. We have both. And out of the box, we already have more than 5,000 reports, dashboard KPIs. So you don't have to start from scratch. You have a lot of things ready. Everything that I showed you so far today is just a glimpse into the out of the box, and everything would be plug and play. We plug to your Acumatica, and typically in hours, you'll be seeing all the things that I showed you today and a lot more. So it's impressive how quickly we can get you a lot of reports and dashboards, so you don't have to start from scratch. I mentioned about Power BI. So with Tableau, we've been working with Tableau for about 7 years now. With Power BI, we started about 6 months ago, but we're also supporting both. And part of the magic of making Tableau and Power BI so powerful is having the pipeline in place, having data preparation, having connectors ready to go, so you don't have to start from scratch. You just plug and play, and you get up and running. Just wrapping up my product presentation, let's just review again the DataSelf Analytics main benefits. The first one is you don't have to start from scratch a lot of your customer reporting needs. Most likely, a lot of them are ready to go. And most likely, we have a lot of questions you haven't thought about yet. You don't know what you don't know. And out of the box, we should help you get focused on critical trends now, not in months or years to come. So we really add a lot of value with our out-of-the-box reports and dashboards. Advanced analytics, like I give you a glimpse in my presentation, with DataSelf, you can do a lot. You can drill down, you can drill through, slice and dice, download the data, it's amazing the options that you'll have and how easy they are. Empowering end users, as I mentioned, we have the gold standard for analytics, and the idea is to allow your users anytime and anywhere to modify the reports and dashboards, to create new things from scratch. So when they have a new question about their data, they don't have to put a queue with IT. They can find the answer right there where they are because the solution is really easy to use. And finally, because we have an enterprise level data warehouse, you'll be able to bring all of your data silos together. Doesn't matter if you have multi-company, multi-currency, different systems. It's a data warehouse. It's been designed to do data consolidation, to make system fast, to make things automated, available anytime and anywhere. From a pricing standpoint, we have a quick start edition that starts at $4.99 per month. It includes 2 templates, let's say to do analysis of sales and purchasing, or maybe financials and job cost, and includes 3 user licenses. If you need for more users, we have a module that can send PDF reports to an unlimited number of users, and it's just a flat fee. And if you need users with interactivity, these are the different type of users and their cost. For more sophisticated clients, we also have other editions available, such as Pro and Enterprise. And pretty much this number is why, if your labor in reporting is below $500 per month on average, we're kind of, an overkill, too expensive. But if your labor investment on a monthly basis is above 500, pretty much, our solution might dramatically cut down the cost and the efficiency of your reporting platform. The higher your cost, the more likely our price is going to be a fraction of your total cost to maintain your reporting platform. So contact us to learn more. And that's it. I hope we have enjoyed the session. Thanks for joining. Again, if you need to contact me, you can find here my phone number and my email. I'm passionate about analytics and BI. My first goal when I talk with people is to learn what they're doing, to learn about their experiences, their successes and their failures, share some of mine, see if it can help them, if they can help me to be better in this world. And if by any chance DataSelf proves to be a good fit for a client, boy, I'm excited. We've been doing this for 20 years, my core team. We're really good at it. We know our stuff. We usually know how to price it. We rarely ask for more money. We deliver usually on budget and on time. So if DataSelf platform is a good fit for you, we'll have fun. We'll get the job done, and we'll get success stories. Thanks for watching.